students, today we are going to start graphic method of locating mode. It means we can calculate mode through graphical representation, through histogram. All of you know how to draw histogram. There are following steps which we have to follow to calculate mode through graphical representation. First step, present the following information in form of histogram. Clear? Now identify the highest rectangle. Clear? Whatever the highest rectangle, you have to find out the highest rectangle. This will be your model class group. Clear? Next, join the top corner of the model rectangle. It means whatever the highest rectangle you have find out, that will be your model rectangle. You have to join the top corner of the model rectangle. The joining line must be cut each other. The point where the joining line cut each other, that will be your model value. Clear? Now I am going to explain you how to calculate mode through graphical representation by this example. Look at there. Expenditure, it is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Frequency, it is given 14, 23, 27, 21 and 15. Now how to calculate mode? Mode, all of you know, the highest frequency, that is known as a model group. First of all, we are going to draw histogram 0, x and y. At 0 axis, we are going to take expenditure. Clear? At 0 y-axis, we are going to take frequency. Clear? Here we can take 10-10 difference at 0 x-axis because it is already given 10-10 difference. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Clear? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 expenditure we have taken as at 0 axis. Now frequency we have to take at 0 y. Now what we can take a difference? 5 we can take a difference. That will be easy to draw. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. We are not required too much because the highest it is 27. So we can go for only till 30. Clear? Now we have to mention scale. At scale 0 axis, we have taken expenditure. It means 1 centimeter equal to 10,000 or 100 or 100, whatever it is given, that you have to mention. Suppose it is given in form of 1000. So I am writing 1 centimeter equal to 10,000. Clear? At OY axis, we are going to take 1 centimeter equal to 10 frequency. Clear? Now we have to draw histogram. 0 to 10, how much it is given? 14. 0 to 10, 14. Clear? That is 14. Now 10 to 20, 23. 10 to 20, that is 23. Clear? That is 23. Now 20 to 30, how much it is given? 27. 20 to 30, 27. Clear? Now 30 to 40, 21. 30 to 40, that will be 21. Clear? Now 40 to 50, that is 15. It is 15. Clear? Give the name of it. Whatever you want to give, then give the name. Now, first of all, second, present the following information in form of histogram. We have already presented the information in form of histogram. Clear? Now, what we have to do, identify the highest rectangle. It means the largest rectangle we have to find out. Which one it is? 27, between 20 to 30. Now, 27 is the highest rectangle. This will be your highest rectangle. You can see very easily. Clear? Now, what you have to do? You have to give the name of the corner. Suppose I have given A corner. It means where it is adjacent to both the sides. A, B, C and D. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to join the corner. The third step, that is you have to join the corners. You can join A to C. Clear? With a scale you can do it. And B to D. It must be cut to each other. ये दोनों both they are going to cut each other. At what point? Suppose I have given the name E point. Clear? Now this will be your model value. But what you have to do? You have to draw a line till end between 20 to 30. Now with your scale, with your ruler, you can draw the line. Clear? Suppose I have drawn the line here. So what will be your mode? Your mode will be approx 24. You have to count. If you are going to draw into the graph, you will be able to find out easily what is your mode. You have to write here. Suppose it is 24. So Z will be Z equal to 24. Clear? Z equal to 24. Count it here from your graph. Approx 24 will be your answer. It means you are going to find your exact answer through graph if you are going to draw it. Clear? Now I will upload the questions of related topic. You just try to solve it. If still you are finding any kind of doubt, just let me know. I am just giving you the quick recapitulation. First, what you have to do, you have to draw histogram. All of you know how to draw the histogram. 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 14, 10 to 20, 23, 20 to 20, 30, 27, 30 to 40, 21, 40 to 50, 50. Clear? Now identify the highest rectangle. Which one it is? 27. Now give the name of all the corners. A, B, C, D. Now join the corners A to C and B to D. Where it is cutting to each other, that is at E point. Now with ruler draw a straight line till end between 20 to 30. What will be your mode? If you are going to count, you will be able to find out your mode. 24. Clear? Z equal to 24. Thank you.